guys, I'm here to invite you to a haunted Halloween collaboration. I hope you guys are ready for this one. Hang tight and I'll give you all the details. Hey guys, it's Rita. My channel name is Craft Today with Rita Renee, and I'm here today to invite you to a collaboration hosted by myself and Miss Cheryl. Her channel name is Miss Cheryl's Place, and I will link her channel below. What we have come up with is a collab called A Haunted Halloween. There will be a hashtag, and it will be A Haunted Halloween 2019. The upload date will be October 17th, 7 a.m. Central. You must be subscribed to our channels. Mention our channels in your video along with the playlist. Now, I will make the playlist available the night before so you can get your videos in. Just mark them scheduled to release at 7 a.m. October 17th. Okay, so what we're wanting you to do is show us what you've got for Halloween. It could be a Halloween DIY, a Halloween haul, a Halloween thrifted item, a recipe. Show us how you decorated your home or your front porch for Halloween. Just anything really, guys, as long as it's Halloween related. No spend limit. You can spend $0 or you can spend as much as you'd like. So I think this will be a fun collab, and it will give us all some more ideas on how to decorate our homes or some recipes maybe for the Halloween season. Don't forget to check out Miss Cheryl's channel. The link is below in the description box, and I'll put all the rules down there as well. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I'll see you in my next video.